Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be making watermelon juice using a blender. Yes, I did promise that I was gonna post another video showing you on how to use a blender, and this is exactly what we're going to do. So first of all, you want to cut your watermelon into small sizes. And oops, that one is big. Yeah, I really had to cut it there and there, but that went well. I didn't cut myself. And now you just want to put all your watermelon inside the jar. And believe me, I don't want to waste anything, but don't scrape out the white part. The white part ruins it. The next is to squeeze in your lemon inside there, and you also want to add some ice cubes. So the reason why I add lemon is because I wanted to preserve. I'm gonna drink this juice for about a week, and the lemon helps it keep it fresh. The ice cubes help the watermelon not to overcook when blending. If you do not have a blender, don't worry. I posted a video on how to make the juice without a blender. Make sure to watch the video. As the blender ran, there was room to add more. It is okay to add more on top. It will still taste the same. So make sure to run this until everything is smooth. And the next step is to use another jar, and you also need a sieve. You are going to run this juice sauce through a sieve. You will need a spoon to stir it. I like to do the swirls. It helps it to go through the sieve, and it's quite fast. And this pulp, you just want to press it and more juice will come out. I prefer running it through the sieve 2 times. This way the juice is lighter. However, you can run this through the sieve many times up to desired texture. It is all about your preference. This is your juice. You can just twerk it the way you want. So with the leftover watermelon pulp, I just stored it in the lunch, and it's all up to you how you want to use it. And now the best part, it's time to serve. Now your juice is ready. It's time to stir it in a jar and serve with ice cubes. This is super healthy, best when you're on a diet. If not, you can add some sugar for that extra sweetness. If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the subscribe button to help my channel grow. If you're already subscribed, make sure to hit the notification bell so you do not miss when I post. And don't forget to like this video.